Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I've achieved so much, so why doesn't it feel the way I expected? Now, you've worked very hard in life, you've built a career, you've fulfilled responsibilities, you've showed up for everyone around you, you've spent years chasing goals, milestones, achievements, and perhaps you achieved so many things you wanted to. But now something inside you is asking different questions. Not what do I need to accomplish next, but does it truly matter now? What truly matters to me now? And that question often marks the beginning of a very powerful transition. The shift from achievement to alignment. Because now you're finally understanding that you want to be aligned. And today we are talking about why the second half of life is not about becoming more successful, but it is becoming more and more of yourself. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today's conversation is especially meaningful for women in their 40s and their 50s and beyond. Because there comes a point in time in life when we've done everything. We've achieved everything, and now achievement alone no longer satisfies us. Not because achievement is wrong, but because we've evolved. The goals that once motivated us, they no longer, excite us anymore. That's not what our soul is seeking anymore. And that's when life begins asking a different question. Not how much can you achieve, but how aligned is the life you are living. And that shift changes everything. So, today let's explore what happens when we move from chasing achievements to pursuing alignment in the second half of our life, the second phase of our life. Firstly, success stops being our main goal. So, in the first half of our life, when we are much younger, when we are trying to make a career for ourselves or make a life for ourselves, we are always focused on building careers, building families, building security, building a reputation. But eventually something changes, and we stop asking ourselves, how do I get more? And we start asking ourselves, does this feel meaningful to me? Because achievement without fulfillment eventually feels very empty. Number two, external validation loses its power. So earlier in life, praise and recognition feel very important for us. So we want to be admired, we want to be respected, we want to be seen as somebody who's very successful, who's an achiever. But as we mature emotionally, something inside us just shifts. We begin valuing our inner peace more than our external approval. And that's the beginning of true freedom. Number three, we start honoring our energy more than our image. So the second half of our life, the second phase of our life, when we are in our 40s and our 50s, you know, we learn a very powerful lesson that our energy is very precious. We become less interested in impressing people. That's not something which is our priority or our excitement anymore. We are more interested in protecting our own peace. We stop asking, how does this look? And we start asking, how does it feel? Number four, we begin redefining success. Now, success, in our earlier phase of our life can be a lot about titles or income or status. But now, when we are in our 40s or our 50s, it's no longer about those titles or income or status. It's about freedom, it's about joy, health, purpose, meaningful relationships, peace of mind, because alignment measures life very differently than achievement. Number five, we finally give ourselves the permission to be ourselves. And this is the greatest gift of the second half of our life. We stop trying to become who everyone expects us to be, we no longer care. Let people think what they think about us. We are going to be who we are. So we start becoming who we are. We start embracing who we are. We start, you know, we start being our most authentic version. We trust ourselves more. We don't pretend anymore. And we live life very honestly. And that authenticity creates that fulfillment that achievement never got us. So, if today's episode resonated with you, if you're somebody in your 40s or your 50s and you're becoming exactly what we spoke about, like, comment, share this episode with whoever needs to hear this today. And remember that second half of our life is not about proving ourselves. It's about knowing ourselves. It's about loving ourselves. It's about becoming ourselves. Until next time, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now, but asking you to subscribe to the Flight to Fulfillment podcast on either Substack or YouTube or Apple or Spotify, wherever you're more comfortable, so that you don't miss out on a single dose of inspiration coming your way. I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye bye.